The village of Podilske is located 30 kilometers from Cherkasy. The houses here are neatly painted, the roadsides are clean. Locals are finishing their evening work. Lyubov is grazing her cows. She's in a hurry to take them home, since in an hour's time a party in the village will begin.
This is Mazucha, this is Glasha, this is Milka, and this is Churva. Milka is the kindest. Churva has the tastiest milk, but she's the most mischievous.
Lyubov has 3 children. All of them left the village for the district center or to work abroad. She hopes that now they will return home.
The village came to life. Various events are held here. It became more fun. Before it was like the village was dying.
Roads have been repaired, the roof and windows of the local school were replaced, and centralized garbage collection was organized. The village now has a park and free Wi-Fi in the center. The head of the village council, Artem Kukharenko, says he's doing everything to improve the standard of living for locals.
Everyone pays taxes, so that the place where they live would get better. People have been paying for many years, but no one knew what the money was used for, so they lost faith. Regaining their trust is difficult. The village must offer jobs and decent salaries, so that the young people would come back here.
Artem is the youngest head of a village council in Ukraine. He was elected at the age of 22. He admits that his job is not easy. The budget is too small, so he's looking for sponsors. To make the life of locals more fun, Artem decided to organize a party. His friends came to help him.
Psychological rest is essential for villagers, because people who work hard need to relax. And entertainment in villages is at a very low level now. Both young people and people from the older generation have nowhere to spend their spare time.
At the party, awards were given to the winners of a social game. For several weeks, local school children tried their hand at the mayor's job and decided how to improve the life of villagers.
We started a game called I Am a Mayor. It is aimed at teaching children to be more responsible. 3 teams were formed at school. Participants had to think of some ideas to make the village clean and comfortable. The second task was to help someone in need, such as lonely elderly people. The kids managed it.
8 members of the winning team will go to the seaside with the village council head for 1 week. In the autumn, Artem Kukharenko is planning to start working on the village's trademarks. The first item on the agenda is to establish a dairy cooperative. Reported by Olha Orlova in the Cherkasy region for UATV.